Hello everybody. In this video I am going to teach chemical properties of phenol. Already I taught two reactions, electrophilic substitution reaction and Remer-Tiemann reaction. I taught in last video. In this video I am going to teach remaining three reactions. First one is Kolb's reaction, second one is reduction, third one is oxidation. These three reactions only I am going to teach in this video. First one is Kolb's reaction. By using Kolb's reaction, we can able to prepare salicylic acid. What's the formula of salicylic acid? This is a structure of salicylic acid. 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. This is what? Salicylic acid. Its IUPAC name 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. By using Kolb's reaction, we can prepare salicylic acid. Okay. I am going to prepare salicylic acid from phenol. This is phenol. React with base NaOH. You know very well it is acidic in nature. Sodium hydroxide is base. So acid react with base. This is a neutralization process. It produces salt as well as water. Here O minus H plus OH minus. This H plus is combined with OH minus. 1 mole of water is removed. O minus Na plus. You can get sodium phenoxide salt. You can get salt, sodium phenoxide. Okay, then the sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide. Treated with carbon dioxide. C double bond O, double bond O. Okay, this is first carbon atom, second carbon atom. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. Oxygen takes one pair of electron. Double bond becomes single bond. One bond will break. O minus C plus. Okay. Here carbon charges, carbon dioxide carbon charges plus due to loss of electron. Here double bond present in between first and the second carbon atom. Here double bond present. Here second carbon atom takes one pair of electron. This pi bond will break. So double bond becomes single bond. What's the charge of first carbon atom? Plus due to loss of electron. Here C minus. This second carbon atom charge is minus. This carbon dioxide carbon atom is plus. So bond formation in between second carbon atom and the carbon dioxide carbon atom. You can get intermediate. Sorry. Here bond present. Here already one bond. Here bond present. This bond will break. So single bond only present. ONA. What's the charge of this carbon? Plus due to loss of electron. Here C minus. This carbon atom charge is plus. So bond formation. Double bond O. Single bond O minus. Okay. Am I right? Then you know very well each and every carbon atom has one hydrogen atom. I would like to show hydrogen atom in second carbon atom. Each and every carbon atom contains one hydrogen. I would like to show hydrogen atom in second carbon atom. Compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So this carbon atom takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. Carbon takes one pair of electron. Bond will break. Here C minus. Second carbon atom charge is minus H plus. It involved in rearrangement. Here plus. Here this carbon atom charge is minus bond formation in between first and second carbon atom. Then it involved in rearrangement. Rearrangement means what? Its location will change. Elements or atoms location will change within a molecule is called as rearrangement. There is no addition. There is no elimination. Elements location or atoms location will change within a molecule is called as rearrangement. This hydrogen location move towards hydroxyl oxygen. This Na location move towards O minus. Elements location will change. That's all. That one is called as rearrangement. Here carbon takes one pair of electron. Here C second carbon atom charge is minus. First carbon atom charge is plus. So plus and minus bond formation in between first and second carbon atom. Okay. So single bond becomes double bond. Compare oxygen and Na. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So here also bond break. O minus. Already here bond present. Here also bond present. Here plus minus bond formation. Here bond break. O minus. This H plus move towards O minus. O minus H plus, it becomes OH. What's the charge of Na plus NaO minus bond formation? O minus Na plus bond formation. You can get this intermediate COO Na. Are you clear? This is the rearrangement. What do you mean by rearrangement? Elements or atoms location will change within a molecule. This hydrogen move towards this O. Na move towards this O. Carbon dioxide. Oxygen atom. Okay. Any doubt? This is what rearrangement. You can get intermediate. Then we have to do acidification. What do you mean by acidification? Addition of acid. Addition of H plus ion. Addition of acid is called as acidification. You can write generally H plus. Okay. Compare carbon and oxygen. Na. Compare oxygen and Na. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron, bond break. OH, C double bond O minus H plus, O minus H plus, COOH. If it is hydrochloric acid means what's the byproduct? H plus, Cl minus. The Cl minus is combined with Na plus, you can get NaCl. You can write generally Na plus. Are you clear? Any doubt about this reaction? First of all, we have to take phenol. It is acidic in nature. Then we have to add sodium hydroxide. It is basic in nature. Acid react with base. This is neutralization process. You can get the product intermediate sodium phenoxide O minus Na plus ONA. H plus OH minus 1 mole of water is removed. You can get sodium phenoxide intermediate. Then this intermediate react with carbon dioxide O minus C plus. Okay. You can get again intermediate. Then it involved in rearrangement. This is what rearrangement process. Then we have to do acidification. You can get product. Product name is salicylic acid. Okay. So first reaction over. Okay. Next one is reduction. I am going to do reduction in phenol by using zinc dust. Zinc dust. Now I am going to do reduction process in phenol by using zinc dust. Zinc dust, phenol, react with zinc. So what will happen? This O2 minus is combined with the Zn2 plus. You can get Zn2 byproduct is O2 minus is combined with the Zn2 plus. Zn2 remaining is benzene. So its product is benzene. That's all. Okay. So zinc dust. This is a reduction process. Reduction means what? Removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen is called as reduction. First of all, I am going to take phenol, then I am going to add zinc dust. So what will happen? Reduction process takes place. This oxygen is combined with zinc. It becomes zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is removed. Then this hydrogen is combined with the phenyl group. You can get benzene. Okay. We can prepare benzene from phenol by using zinc dust. Then I am going to do oxidation process. Last chemical reaction in phenol. Okay. Next one is oxidation. I am going to do oxidation in phenol by using acidified sodium dichromate, or we can add acidified potassium dichromate. Here I am going to add acidified sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7. Okay. So it becomes a conjugated diketone. When we add acidified sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7, this phenol becomes a conjugated diketone. Its name is benzoquinone. Double bond O, double bond O. Okay, this is oxidation process. What's the oxidation process? Take phenol, then we have to add acidified sodium dichromate or acidified potassium dichromate. It involves this phenol is involved in oxidation process. You can get conjugated diketone. That conjugated diketone name is called as benzoquinone. Okay. Totally, I taught 3 reactions in this video. First one is Kolb's reaction. Second one is reduction. Third one is oxidation. Okay. So in next video, I will teach chemical properties of alcohol. Thank you.